I make a really nice honey mustard chicken. It's wonderful, and I serve it over rice. So I'm going to do the sauce first, and then I'm going to get the chicken going. So, let's see here. I got to open my honey. I didn't open my honey. Oh, I need Why is it anytime you go to open something, you always stick your finger in there first? And then when your finger doesn't go through it, then you go get a knife. Alright. There we go. Sticky, sticky. Okay, I'm going to do a little trick here. I spray my measuring cup a little bit, because this, all I need is a 1/4 cup of honey. See how nice that comes out? You spray it with a little cooking oil, and it comes right out of there. Okay. Now, you're going to take a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. Oh, I love this stuff. You're going to love this sauce. Let me get my rubber spatula. Alright, I got all that. Now we're going to take, I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of garlic cloves. Maybe like two cloves of garlic crushed up, or more, depends on how you like it. So I'm just going to give that, I'm going to show you this. I'm just going to give this a good mix. See that? Oh, it's beautiful. This stuff is fabulous. Okay, we're just going to mix that up, and then we're just going to set that aside. Okay? Until we're ready for it. Alright, meanwhile, we are going to put some oil in our pan. Not a whole lot. It looks like a lot, but it's not. We're going to turn it on. And then I'm going to take, look at these huge chicken breasts. Those are halves. I always say when you cook big and save for later. So I'm doing one for my husband and I tonight and one for later. I'm going to put in the freezer. So I figured I'd do 2 of them. They're gorgeous. And you turn them over, pepper the other side. Lots of peppers, good. A little bit of salt. And that's all I put on there. I don't put anything else on here because my honey mustard is going to season it beautifully. Okay. Wash my hands. Okay. Now we're going to put it in this pan. I'm ultimately going to cook it in this pan. I should be able to fit it all in there, okay? But we're going to put it in this pan when this gets good and hot. It's going to take me a minute. I want this pan screaming hot because I want to sear these. So let me get this pan good and hot and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, it should be good and hot by now. I'm going to put these in here skin side down. Yep, you can hear them. They're starting to sizzle. Skin side down. And I'm cutting that off. Here's my sleeve. I don't want a big chunk of fat. That's a part of the skin. I just cut that little piece off. Okay. These are going to brown in here on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side because these are huge pieces of meat. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn the camera off, and I'm going to brown these on each side about 2 to 3 minutes, And when I'm done, I'll be back and show you the rest. Okay, friends, I'm sure you can hear this sizzling. I have got my, I did it 3 minutes on each side. Got my oven preheated to 400. I'm just leaving this in the pan. My burner is off. It's just still sizzling. But I'm gonna dump this on here and spread it around these really good. Because these are gonna be wonderful. Okay? Oh, it smells just divine. Get it all in there. Okay, now I don't want to waste none of it. Okay, so with that, we're going to take and put, no, I think maybe that was about 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth in the pan with it. I'm not going to cover this. I am just simply going to use my washcloth here, and I'm going to put it in the oven because the oven is set and ready to go. And I'm going to cook this. Well, these are big. Normally it would take about 40 minutes to cook it, but these are big, so I'm going to make sure that these are, you know, 180 degrees. So 180, 185. I'll check it, but I'll make sure they're the proper temp, and I'll be back when they're done. They go in the oven, and I'll be back, friends. Okay, friends, this chicken is done, and it is absolutely beautiful. Let me see. It's just gorgeous with a nice crust on it. Look at that. And then that beautiful broth in there. That'll go good on a little bit over it on the rice. Alright, so I'm going to plate one of these up with some rice because we're going to put the other one in the freezer because my husband and I will only eat one and we'll share it. But I'm going to plate it up with some rice and take a picture of it and show you in the end of the video. Anyway, that's it. It's very easy and it is absolutely delicious. So, thanks for watching.